Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the sounds within the Temple Run game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Temple Run game on your device. And when you are playing the game, you will notice that by default, the sound is turned on within the game. Now, if you wish to change this setting and turn off the sound completely, then you will need to get out of your game. Pause the game by tapping on the pause button at the bottom right corner. And now you can tap on main menu. And once you end up within the main menu, tap on options and you will now see the music as well as the sound volume. Go ahead and use the slider, and if you wish to turn it off, then swipe it completely to the left. You can do this with both the music and sound, and this will turn off the sound and music completely. You may also set your own desired volume level for both of these, and you can go back to your game. And now the sound levels that you chose will be applied right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Temple Run game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.